everyone, today we're going to be making salt dough Play-Doh. It's really simple and it's something that you can make with ingredients found in your kitchen. You'll need about 1 cup of warm water, 2 cups of flour, a half a cup of salt, a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and a food coloring or scent of your choice. You don't have to use the food coloring or the scent, it's up to you. You can use food coloring with essential oils, you could use one of the water addition packets, or you could even use a thing of Kool-Aid. It's really up to you on how you decide to do this. We're going to start mixing everything in a bowl to start it off with, and then we are going to go from there. So I'm going to start with my dry ingredients first. So the 2 cups of flour, half a cup of salt, 1 cup warm water. And this is not super warm, like I haven't boiled it very hot. And I'm also going to add one of these coloring packets to it. And I'm going to start by just stirring everything. This dough is a little too dry, so I'm going to add a little bit of water to help even it out a little bit. And now that this is at like a tacky point, I'm going to start kneading it with my hands. It is a little sticky at this point, so I'm just going to put a tiny bit of flour on my hands to help with that part. Once you're at this point, you can add a teaspoon of vegetable oil on top. This will just help it with the consistency. Your own salt dough Play-Doh, it's also a really fun tool to use to practice clay techniques. So you can practice simple things like creating spheres with your clay by rolling your hands counterclockwise. You can practice doing coils where you rub your hands back and forth side by side to create almost like a snake. You can also do it with one hand on a table. You can make a pinch pot with it, so you will start with this sphere. After starting with the sphere, you press one finger or thumb into the center and you pinch on the outside. You can press down in the middle as well to bring it out and pull. So pressing down and pulling on the walls. This will round it out a little bit more. You can also practice with stacking coils. put coils one on top of the other to create an item. You can also just build different things with it.